You can kiss yourself and slap yourself all at the same time. I'm not too sure if any of you can relate to this, where you beat yourself up over a mistake that you made or even over the smallest little thing. You do something, it doesn't go the way that you thought it was going to go, and then there is this internal conversation that goes on that is just pure poison. Let me tell you a quick story. Yesterday, well, over the last 30 days, I've made a commitment to myself that I was gonna make a video every single day, no matter what. Yesterday, I didn't make a video. I was in Queensland, in Australia, going to Sydney to see family. I'm here right now at my mum's house, seeing my family, seeing my dog, seeing my brothers. And I was on the plane just pointing out, this is where I'm gonna make a video. And then I totally forgot when I got back home seeing family. I got so wrapped up in seeing everyone. This morning I woke up and I was like, shit. And then I just started to beat myself up over forgetting my commitments. And my point is that sometimes that's totally okay. However, if you're living there constantly every single day, beating yourself up, beating yourself up, beating yourself up, then that's pure poison. But sometimes a slap is necessary for you to wake up, for you to step up. But then also a kiss to yourself is needed at the same time. A kiss to say, you know what, Matt, you've been showing up so beautifully every single day. You have been, like, yes, you get to step up from now and be unreasonable with your commitments. That if you say you're going to do something, you do it. I don't care if it's 1 a.m. I don't care if you wake up early in the morning and you forget that you made it straight away. And at the same time, it's going, Matt, you know what? You've been showing up so powerfully. You've been showing up so beautifully. You've been doing amazing. The way that you've been showing up by making videos at 11:30 p.m. because you've been finishing a conference and then making a video then and then uploading it, that's fucking amazing. And now's the time that you step up. Now is the time that you be unreasonable with your commitments. And I'm saying this to remind myself, but also to say to you, that some of you have been slapping the shit out of yourself with forgetting to kiss yourself at the same time. That pain and pleasure is possible at the same time. And also be aware that sometimes for you, if you're at the stage where you're just been slapping the shit out of yourself every single day, that sometimes what it's needed is just a kiss. And that's it, no slap. So let this be a reminder that some of you need compassion, pure compassion. And some of you need a little bit of a nudge or a punch or a slap to start stepping up, to start being unreasonable in what you say you're going to do, to be unreasonable in your vision, to be unreasonable in your goals, to be unreasonable in your relationship, to be 110% committed. So this is to you that no matter what, I will be making a video for the remainder of the time that is on this 30-day challenge that I'm setting up for myself. So I really hope that you have enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up. Let me know what the biggest takeaway from this video was. Also, I'm gonna be making another video today because I missed yesterday. This is a replacement for yesterday's video, and I'm gonna be making a new one. So until I see you all in the next video, remember to love all living beings, and most importantly, love thyself.